Welcome to a Toolbox Tour video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Jethawk cordless pressure washer. So this is a Christmas present I got from my partner, and it's a Jethawk cordless pressure washer. So let's get it opened up and see what's inside. So we've got a rechargeable battery. I've already charged that up, and this is the heart of the pressure washer itself. It's got an attachment, so you can attach a normal garden hose to it if you want, or if you don't have a tap, I've got a repurposed AdBlue bottle that's full of water, and use this adapter with the hose on it. So I'll just get this assembled. Should I put you guys down somewhere? Let's have a look. Don't know how well you're going to see this. So first thing you do, fit the bottle. Got the lance that screws into there like so. So that's the lance on there. Then I need to use this hose, which will be going into my water supply, my repurposed AdBlue bottle. So at one end goes into the adapter. So just unscrew that and push that through, pushes on like so. There we go, and then screws on. Oops! Oh, and look at that. It's split already, so that's not much good. I'll just try at the other end. I don't know whether it's because of temperatures, but I might have to trim that back at some point. There we go, so that attaches into just a normal, like a normal garden hose. Yep, and that's on. It doesn't look right. Yep, that's fine. There we go, hear it click. And there's various attachments here. And there's a filter as well, and there's that. I'm not sure what that's for. I've not read the instructions, to be honest. I'm just going to hook it up and I'm going to try it out and see how we go. That's it. I've already charged the battery up, but there's other attachments. I really shouldn't read the manual to see how that works, so I'll be right back. So this is basically a 6-in-1 multi-nozzle. You can just turn it to whatever pattern you decide, whether you want a fine jet 50, that's a 15 degree. Just a bit hard to do this one-handed. So I have to hold the camera between my legs, but you just turn it to 15, like a 25, 40. But we'll go for a 15 degree and see how that goes now. It looks a bit mucky, so should be able to demonstrate this quite well. So here we go. Just need to pry them up. There we go. So there's my hose, it's in, right? Yep, that's in. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, that's white. So end of hose, it was sticking up so it was just sucking air. So bit of adjustment, should be all right now. And there we go. So I'll make an adjustment to it. So have a look. Try that one. There we go. Certainly shifting them up. And this is just straight water. I'm not a detailer, but I'm just demonstrating the jet hawk. It's working quite well. And it's getting through the water fairly quickly. I can't remember the capacity of these AdBlue tanks. It's not going to last long. So. So I'll try another setting on there. There we go. So 15, 25, 40. I think this is a rotating one. Yeah. So as you can see, it's got various settings. And that's just go through various settings. Not much water left, so keep on. I'm coming to the bottom of water, so I'm running out. So you really need a bigger barrel, or better still a water supply, but it's doable without. So that's basically the jet arc in a nutshell. I've not had a look at the other fittings, but you could probably fit snow foam onto it lands, which would be handy. So I'll just get it done. Stop here. So after a quick look in the manual, you can swap this out. You can put a bottle in there, you know, like snow foam, or you use a snow foam canisters, or there's these adapters that give you a different spray pattern. So you got various options there, spray pattern, and there's a water filter. I'm not sure how that's used. Oh yeah, it goes on the other end of the hose. That's what the water filter's for. Unfortunately, because this is split, I'll have to cut it back and then I'll be able to use the water filter. So, working out a bit better, I'll put some more water in and keep on. So I think I'll just end the video there. It does what it says on the tin, and that says you've got all these options for various nozzles. And it'll be handy for decking on the caravan as well. So if anyone's interested in one of these, I'll put a link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It's only a quick video, so as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.